Hello, Katrin here with European Paper Crafts in the US. Welcome to my channel or welcome back. Today I have beautiful new card toppers for you. So let's get started. So brand new to my shop are these gorgeous poinsettia toppers by Hardy Crafts. In each pack you get 10 different toppers in 3 layers, and they call them the festive Christmas stars, because that's what they look like, stars. So when you take them out of the bag, and like I said, there are 10 in here, just like you see on the front. You take them out of these cellophane bags, and then you have a base piece. Look how cute, look how beautiful. Then you have the next layer, which goes right on top with a foam pad, and then there is the final topper. And these are beautifully glittered, and the artwork is just impeccable. It is cardstock and very sturdy. Now this is Hardy Crafts, and those of you who have not tried them, you should, because these are the most awesome card toppers that you can find. Now I made, of course, cards, and when I saw this, let's look at my thought process. When I saw these beautiful red and white colors, I wanted them to shine. I didn't want to use any. Normally I look at the colors and find background paper that matches, but this time around I really wanted that red to shine. So I used black and white papers for my background. So here I have, well, maybe not black, it's like a dark gray. This is a paper pack that Michaels had this year for Christmas. Let me see if I can find it. So here it is. It's called the Black and White Winter, and it's got basically black and white, a little bit of foiling, but that's all it is. There is no other color, just the grays, the black and the whites. And it also has this beautiful foiling on here. So I really like this paper pad. And I bought it this year, so it might be still available at your Michaels store or online. It's by Recollections, of course. And that's what I have used the paper here on my card. So I have a blank top folding card in white that I created myself. Here is the background paper, one paper to offset this beautiful embellishment. I punched out a couple of golden stars that I tucked behind this piece here. And then here is my gorgeous poinsettia. Look how lush this looks. I added a couple of my gold borders. And then here, the Happy Christmas, those are brand new stickers that came in this week as well. And let's see, here is the sticker sheet, and you can see I already took off a couple of them, but these are the double embossed stickers that are in a new with my store this year. And you have the Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, and these beautifully embossed stickers. And here is one, and so these are see-through. Let me see if you can tell. Come on. So these are see-through. So what you want to do is, you know, find a nice background. Of course, when it sits on white, then this is how it looks, but it will take the background that you put it on. So if you put the Merry Christmas on a red paper, then you will have a red background. So how clever is that? But for my heart here, for my star here, I added it to a white paper, and then I cut it out, and I lucked out because that star is the same as my punch, so I didn't even have to fuzzy cut it. I just cut it with my punch. But of course, you can add it straight to your cardstock as well. So here is my first card. Next, look at this one. How gorgeous is that? I just love that poinsettia. It's got a couple of ornaments here, a little star, and I did the same thing. Here's my background paper. I used the stickers for the borders, the Merry Christmas, again is from brand new sticker sheets, and here it is. I took the Merry Christmas out. I have it in silver and in gold. So this is how the sticker sheet looks in when it is not used. And here is the silver one. Look how classy this looks. I love these stickers. And again, the same in gold. And I'm going to link them below because they're currently available. And here it is. Look at this, the Merry Christmas. Gorgeous. And then a couple of corner stickers here. These stickers came from my stash. So you can add something for the corners, but it is not needed if you don't need them. It would have looked nice too, but you can always have a corner piece if you want to set it off. Now next, same thing, and you can see these cards came together again very quickly. Here is this beautiful paper with the Christmas trees, and then just a second paper for the background of my poinsettia, glitter stickers. Here is this gorgeous topper piece, and then the Merry Christmas from one of those sheets. They're all top folding this time. There's really not much more to say. It just is as easy as gluing the papers and then adding the topper with the foam pads. And I made a fourth card, and here it is. Same thing. Look, here you even have some orange slices, cinnamon sticks. So beautiful. The only other thing that I have added here is I added a snowflake. And, you know, you can punch your snowflakes. If you have a die, you can die cut them. I added a couple of bling pieces. And that's it. And then there, of course, is very light glitter on these embellishments, so you don't have to use your stickles. And this glitter is baked in, so that does not come off. This one is a side folding card in a pink or very lush blush pink background. And look how beautiful these cards are. I just love them with that dark background, just in black and white, and then having this beautiful topper on them. But there is more. Well, there can't be any Christmas, for me at least, without at least a couple of snowman cards, and I haven't made any this year, so here I just picked two snowman packs, but I have probably 5 or 6 in my shop, so I'll link them below. And here, this one is just simply called the Snowman, and look how fun looking these snowmen are. Of course, they are by Hardy Crafts, 10 designs in here, and these are called the Happy Snowman, and that's what they are. Very happy. So cute. It's got the glitter paint on it. And now let's see what I have created. Here is my first card. And all I have done here is I used the some background paper that I had out. This is an old Michaels pad that I have used. Just put a little bit of stickles on the roofs of the house so they look like they're frosted. I built a couple of snowbanks here for my snowman, and here he is. Look how cute. Added a couple of stars, then my border, and here it is. This is a card that I have created from this beautiful cardstock that Michaels carries now in all colors. So gorgeous. And here it is, my first snowman card. And there is a second one. And with this one, I have already used up some of my scraps. I used this background paper. I had out last week for my pink little penguin that I wanted to make a paper, card with. So here is this pink background paper that I had laid out. I put it on a pink cardstock, added a couple of gold stars. Here is the Happy Christmas from these new stickers I just introduced. And there is my gorgeous snowman. I added a couple of Christmas trees I punched out the doily. So this is what I do with the papers that I have laying around. I just punch them out and then use them for my, for my cards. If you have these, I highly recommend to have at least a circle punch. For Christmas, of course, it's great to have a tree punch. And then stars are always good. And even if you don't have enough paper, this one I didn't have enough, so it cut it off. Now then it hangs here on the side and it might just well. Also, there are a couple more that I have not worked with, and these are also the Merry Christmas in gold and silver. Those are as well these double embossed stickers from Holland. Then I made a second one. This one right here. Let me show you. Of course, you recognize the paper. So this is also from this pink and pastel color paper pack. I added glad tidings here. The glad tidings are also stickers. Same type in silver and gold. Merry Christmas and glad tidings. They look so rich because they have this beautiful gilding on there. And I just wanted to show you one more. Happy New Year, Merry Christmas. Look, the glasses, the champagne glasses, the Santa, the bells, best wishes, Christmas greetings with a Christmas tree. So gorgeous. I love these stickers. But anyway, this little thing is also a sticker, and I just got those in as well. And let me see, I'm gonna go out a little bit. These are sticker sheets, and those are long, and they have these gorgeous snowmen on there. Smaller, bigger snowflakes, a little penguin. Here we go. So super cute, and that's what I used here. I just added this cute little snowman to cardstock and then cut it out and added little dimensional so that it sits above. But of course you can use these. These would be great for journals too, because those, let me show you, I have one open. So these are the borderless ones. See how they are? So cute. And they're like almost like washi, a little thicker than washi. And they have this glaze on it. Look how beautiful they are. So high-end stickers, and they are also from Hardy Crafts. Actually, this is from Ideen mit Herz, which is the original store in Germany, and that's what I brought. I bought that when I was on vacation, and now it just came in. So here we go. Look how cute they are. And there it is, my card. Very simple. Paper, sticker, sticker, and sticker. And there it is. Very quick cards. Also easy to sit down with your whole family, even with your friends and family that are not that crafty. They can certainly make these cards. And then I made a couple smaller ones. And here we have it. It's a Happy Holidays. Again, my scraps I'm using. This came from one of my paper packs. And I just made a small card. These are 3.5 by 3.5. And I like them because I can make envelopes from 6 by 6 paper. And I had this paper pack out. And here we have the cute little envelope. I added one of those stickers. And here is this penguin that I added, also from the sticker sheet. So I like it. You have big stickers, smaller ones, and then a very small one on there. And I made another one. And here we go. There is this other cute little penguin. A thank you card. And then same here. I added a sticker to the envelope as well. So versatile. Okay, and I'm going to finish it today with this card here. Here is a snowman, and you can see you can use all kinds of backgrounds. I made this card blank from a piece of cardstock that I had laying around. This is a Studio Light cardstock from, I think, last year. But I still have Studio Light paper packs in stock, where you have toppers and cardstock both. But this one here, and I like it, it's white inside. I created this card blank, added my snowman here. This is just an extra piece of scrap that I had laying around. Here are my gold stars from a punch, and then the Happy Christmas is from a Hunky Dory pad that I shared with you just a few weeks ago, and I had a giveaway. So this one here comes from one of those packs. But look how gorgeous this artwork is. This little cute little birdie sitting in this birdhouse, all snowed in. I just love these embellishments. Again, they're so quick, and isn't this a cute card? Anybody, I think, would like to get a Christmas card like that. And here are all the cards that I've shared with you today. I hope you liked them. If so, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. I would love to hear from you, and share this video with your crafty friends and family. As always, my cards are up for grabs. I offer them in value packs in my store. So if you're interested, go and check them out. Thank you very much for spending time with me today. I really appreciate your time. Please stay or get well. Happy crafting, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.